Instant hot pot! Into the pot. Whoa! Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Hour with Ollie. I'm Ollie, and today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're going to test drive a new product that I have not tried. One of my favorite indulgences in life is instant noodles. But today we're gonna do something even better than instant noodles. What can be better than instant noodles, you ask? Instant hot pot! This is it. This is from Hai Di Lao restaurant. This is their beef self-heating hot pot. Spicy flavor. It's an instant hot pot that heats itself up. It will cook it for you. You don't even have to boil the water to cook the food items in here. I'm super excited because I love science experiments, and also I'm just really excited to test drive the Hai Di Lao make at home mala hot pot. Mala is a kind of spiciness that incorporates Sichuan peppers. So the sensation that you end up having is a tingly, numbing, hot feeling. Should we give it a try? Let me rip it open. Brute strength. Woohoo! Instructions. Ta-da! This is the inner tub where you're supposed to put most of the ingredients. This is the seasoning packet. Vermicelli, seasoned beef. Oh, they even gave you cutlery. Oh my goodness. This is not for eating. This is the heat pack. And this is the big bag of pickled vegetables. I'm so intrigued by this cutlery set. Oh my goodness, the disposable chopsticks.
I'm ready for my hot pot.
According to the instructions, what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange all the food stuff from the packet into this first layer, and then I'm gonna add water. And then what I'm gonna do is open this heat packet, put it in the big outer pot, and fill it up with water as well. And then I put the inner pot inside the outer pot. Ooh, I see some seaweed, I see some lotus vegetable, bamboo shoots. Okay, there we are, nice and easy. Black bean, chili oil, as well as Sichuan peppercorn. Next, I'm going to put the heat packet into the outer container. In it goes. Pouring of the water. So I'm guessing it's gonna start working soon. Into the pot. And now we wait for 15 minutes. Whoa! I haven't even tasted it and I'm so impressed already. It's like the science nerd in me talking. It's really bubbling away in there. I think another little thing for me is that, like, look how much garbage we've generated just from one little pot of self-cooking hot pot.
15 minutes later.
15 minutes have passed. So let's open this up. Dun dun dun. Ooh. Okay, time for the most important step, the taste test. As always, with anything with soup, I will start by tasting the soup. Oh, it's hot, both temperature and spice level. There is still an element of warmth and savory. It's really nice. It's very comforting, actually. Does not punch you in the mouth like I had previously imagined. Now let's try some of the vermicelli. As you can tell, it's cooked pretty well. Nice and soft. Really yummy. The vermicelli is not cooked so much that it turns mushy. It's still got that somewhat chewy texture to it, and it has really soaked up the flavor of that soup. That savory, numbing, tingling sensation. I really like this kind of spiciness. The meat actually looks really good. Let's have a try. Of course, it's never gonna be as nice and soft and juicy as real fresh beef. As far as these meat packs that you can add to your instant noodles go, this one really is not bad. You can still taste the meat texture as well as the flavor. Really well done, actually. Let's taste some of the other elements of the hot pot. The lotus roots, nice and soft, but still with that little bit of a crunchy texture at the very end. Kelp is good. The bamboo shoots are still crunchy. Hear that? Really good. So, conclusion time. Overall, I'm super impressed by this beef self-cooking hot pot. All I did was empty the stuff in there, add a bit of water, and it cooks itself. The flavor is really good. The ingredients are all very nice in there. The only thing that I would pick at is probably could do with more ingredients. Another cool thing that I found was the attention to detail. I mean, these cutleries are super cute, but also they're so thoughtful. They even gave you a toothpick. Overall, I would definitely say that this has been a really pleasant experience. However, due to the amount of trash that it generates, I probably won't have it very, very often. So, do you like mala hot pot? What other really cool, wild, instant self-cooking foods that you would recommend me to try? Please comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll never miss a happy hour adventure with me. Look me up on social media by using the hashtag #HappyHourWithOllie. Until we eat and drink again next time, cheers mates, bye!